All right, today on Repairs 101, I've got part 4.5 of my 5-part series on how to make your beater just a little bit sweeter. Yeah, you heard me. This episode of Repairs 101 is sponsored by Princess Auto. With stores in every province across Canada, check them out online at princessauto.com. Now, besides the truck, I've also got a couple of great gift ideas for you. What with Groundhog Day just around the corner. And check out this little red wagon I scored. Now, as much as I like to pretend to be a filmmaker, I'm actually a marine mechanic, and this is going to be great for hauling tools up and down the docks. But you know what really sold it was that the load rating on it is almost the same as on my Toyota RAV4. So the snow tires I ordered back in August still haven't arrived, and it's December tomorrow. I'm told they're in a container somewhere, on a ship somewhere, waiting in line somewhere to get into a port somewhere. So between that and all the rain we've been getting here in coastal British Columbia lately, well, this may take a while. You'll remember I had a leak on the passenger side, and so I resealed the windshield, but there's still some moisture getting in, and I suspect it's coming from this seam on the firewall. So I'll have to go get some more glue. True to form, I'm going to try and repair this broken armrest rather than replace it. We'll see how it goes next episode. The engine has been surging and stalling like it was running out of gas, so naturally I checked the alternator output. It's fine. So I suspect it's the fuel filter, which I was able to obtain, but I discovered I'd have to lift the truck in order to replace it, so... Yeah, did I mention it's been raining? Now, if that's not it, I'll be looking at the fuel pump. But, you know, that's what old vehicles are like. The more you look, the more you find needs fixing. Now, seriously, if you dig this, wait till you get a load of my neighbor's project car.